Alrighty, first grade. So last week I had kind of introduced quick tens and quick ones, right? And so we did that by, you saw me with my 10 cubes, right? We counted out those 10 cubes to make one stick. So we kind of thought that this was a quick way, instead of drawing 10 little cubes on top of each other, is to just simply make a line, right? That gave us a quick 10. And then the quick one would be a circle, all right? So just kind of like one of these little cubes would be a 1, and then 10 of them combined would be that line, all right? So that's our quick 10s, quick 1s. And what we're doing with those quick 10s and quick 1s is we'll be able to quickly identify or a number, a 2-digit number. Okay, so for example, if we had the number 31, how I would represent that using 10s and 1s, we have three 10 sticks and one little one circle. So 3 10s, 1 circle, 1. Okay, so that'd be 3 10s, 1, 31. All right, and so what we're gonna start doing now, since we kind of got the hang of that, we're gonna start adding things to it. Okay, we're gonna start in particularly adding 10s and 1s to different numbers. Okay, and you're gonna see what changes. All right, and it's kind of neat when you draw it out, because you can see if I want to add a 10, well, what's the only thing that's changing is the 10s column. There are lines. If I only add a 1, or if I take away 1, we're only messing with that 1's place of circles. Okay? So, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put up a number, okay? And we're just gonna practice adding 1. So if I start with 20, let's see, draw my circles, 23. Okay, my 2 10 sticks and 3 1s. I have 23. 23. Okay, and here's my 10s and 1s in my place value chart. So I have 23. Now if I wanted to add 1, what's my answer? Easy peasy. What changed? 24. So if I add 1 to 23, my new answer is 24. The only thing that changed is the 1s. It went from 3 to 4. Okay? Did the 10s change at all? No, because we didn't add a 10. We just added a 1. So from 3, it went to 4. Okay? Seems pretty easy. Now if I wanted to add a 10, so here's my place value box, here's my 10s and 1s. Okay, if I wanted to add a 10 to, let's say, 54, ooh, bigger number, well, let's use our quick 10s and quick 1s to represent 54. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, easy peasy, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 quick 10s, 4 quick 1s. I want you to add 10. Am I going to be adding a stick or a circle? A stick. So easy. If I add a stick, how many do I have now? It went from 54, and then I want to add 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10s, which is 60, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 64. Now notice, friends, did my 1s change? Didn't add any 1s. Did my 10s change? Yeah, it went up by 1 10. So instead of 50, it went to 60. Okay? Let's see. So that was adding. Let's try taking away. Let's try subtracting. Okay? So if I changed this to a 4, okay, 44, 10s, 1s. 4 10s, 4 1s. If I have 44 and I wanted to take away 1, so let's draw 44. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got my quick 10s, quick 1s drawn, and I want to take away 1. Literally, take away 1. So I had 44, and I subtracted 1, giving me how many? 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 40, 1, 2, 3, 43. Again, friends, what changed? I took away 1. Did my 1s change? They did. Okay? It changed by 1 and it went down. Did my 10s change? They did not. Didn't mess with the 10s place. I just messed with the 1s. Okay? Now here's one that can be a little bit tricky. Okay? So I took away 1. Well, I'm going to take another 1 away from this number though. This number is going to be 31. And I took 1 away. So if I took 1 away, let's do, oops. Our number's 30, which is 1, 2, 3. 3 10 sticks, quick. So 30, but I wanted you to take away 1. Ooh, we don't have any of those nice circles, do we? Well, what does one of these represent? That represents a 10 stick, right? So really it represents 10 circles. Here's my 10 circles that it really represents, right? Don't forget our 10 cubes. That's the 10 stick. If I took 1 cube away, which it's asking me to take 1 away, well, 1 away, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 1s. And how many 10s do I have? Because you don't have 3 full ones anymore. You have 2 10s and 9 1s. Okay? So that 30 went down to 29. That can be a little bit tricky because we're into a different 10. So I had to tell myself to take this 10, this quick 10, and think of it, like I have to remember, it's still worth 10 cubes. Now take 1 away, and you have 9 left. Okay, so sometimes that can happen. All right, and then if we subtract 10, okay, 10, if I have the number 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we had 40 and I'm telling you to subtract 10, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 30. Easy peasy. What changed? I really want you to really start focusing on the changes. So what changed? The 10s or the 1s? The 10s did. It went from 4 to it went from 4 10s to 3 10s. So that's a change of 1 10, okay? Which is what it asked for. Take away 1 10. Gives you 30. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I am going to play a little game with you right now. Okay, now, I am going to have my number up here. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 4 circles, and I have, oops, sorry. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So my answer is 46. Okay, and that's what my quick 10s and quick 1s represent. 46, the number 46. I want you to add 10. Go. Add 10 to 46. What do you have? Okay, easy peasy. I add 10, I'm adding a 10 stick. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So if we're adding 10, that's gonna be 50, and then did I do anything with the ones? Nope, so it's gonna be the same, 56. If you got 56, give me a thumbs up. Nice, okay? And if I have 46, I want you to add, from 46, I want you to add 1. So instead of 46, I added 1, and my new number is, well, add a 1. My new number should be what? 47. Okay? All right, we'll do one last one. If my number is still 46, I want you to take away 10. Take away 10, what do we get? Quick. Take away 10. Cross one off. 1, 2, 3. 36. Okay, what changed? Just the 10s. Okay, so you can always use those quick 10s to help you, but also you should get to the point where you're just figuring out what changes, looking at the place value and figuring out what changes. So if I just simply have the number 61, and I could even put it in our place value box of 10s, and here's my 1s. If we have 61 and I said, well, take away 1, take away with 1, it becomes 60. Okay, if I have 61, add a 10. That 6 goes to 7, we have 71. Okay, if I said 61 and I want you to add 1, well, that 1 becomes a 2. Okay, and then if I have 6 10s and I say take 1 away, if you had 6, we'll take 1 away. You have 5 left, so it's 51. Okay, so that's what we want to get to. All right, so stay tuned for more.